This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Gorgeous new construction built by West Coast Homes on a giant 1/4 acre lot. Everything about this home is big with enough room for everyone and all your guests too. Expansive floor plan features an enormous great room, 9 ceilings, vinyl plank floors, stunning kitchen West/custom K&S cabinets, stainless appliances, black satin granite counters, large island with eating bar, and a large walk-in pantry, and tankless H20. Quartz counters in all the bathrooms. Main floor master with attached bath ensuite includes tiled shower plus tub, family/media room upstairs plus a bonus room too. So much room to spread out. Great covered patio to enjoy the wonderful spacious yard. It's rare to find new homes.